Good day, everyone. Nenad is here, and today we are having our standard quick trading ideas webinar. So, before I start, guys, have in mind that forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. So, please educate yourselves on the risks associated with forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. The rules for trading always the same. Please read through rules carefully. This webinar is being recorded, so you can pause the screen and watch trading rules. Always the same. So account is going up, and these are free trading ideas. Of course, if you want to go with more and make even more pips, guys, you can easily purchase our systems, Camarilla MACD method, and we have fully verified my FX book account, so you can always trade also on your own. Let me give you a quick overview of a current account. So this is it. It's the record currently. So you can see we have started with 10. Now the account is 51, 400% gain, risking only from profits. So you can see this was the risk only from profits. Deposit was intact, and it is intact. So this is how we do it. You can purchase full Camarilla MACD system on our website, ellittcurrency.com. The price is still low. It's approximately 1,737 euros, but it will go up soon, of course. Results are here to actually prove how the system and trading generally is profitable. So now, before I start, quick questions. Agri, what is the expiry of this indicator you're referring to? Which indicator, Agri? I'm not sure. Alexander, Dorin, wait for. I will go with the euro, with the GBP dollar. I will start with euro dollar. And Agri, please define which indicator. Which indicator will expire? I'm talking about system itself. The price is 1,737 euros, but it will go up definitely soon because it's worth much more than this, definitely. And we invested a lot of time, and it's very profitable. Last week with my live trading group on ECS.live, we had 9 trades. All trades were winner, close to 500 pips. So there is no expiry. The only thing is that the price will go up probably next month. So that's it. But it doesn't expire. It's here. Okay, so euro dollar in uptrend, and I think around 10.80 the price might go up. So I'm watching for this zone, and the price could actually go up from this zone. So I would say that euro dollar positional buy is so entry is 110.60 to 80. Okay, stop loss is 10.20. And the target is possibly 112. Also, guys, have in mind that when I do live trading, when I said live trading signals and ideas with my Telegram group, I always manage trades there. So have in mind that all these setups that I'm presenting, you need to manage trades. If the setup happens, you need to manage it yourself. But these are the zones where I expect price to continue. The GBP dollar is long, but I'm waiting for a pullback to go long. So I would go even with 15-minute trade here with my template. If the price drops to 29, let's say 29.40. So I might say 29.40 is where I would go 29.30 to 40. Stop loss here is definitely here 28.85. And target is give me a few seconds. So the target is on 4-hour time frame. $30.70. Next one is the Australian dollar. Australian dollar is long 0.6818 to 28. Stop loss is the same. Target stop loss is 67.50, and target is Target is 69.30. Now, dollar yen. I'm long dollar yen already with my live trading group. So this is it. Dollar yen should go up. This is the dollar yen. A clear signal realignment here for a long trade. Okay. Next one. Gold. Gold. Let me find it. Okay. Here we go. Gold is neutral. Obviously, buy is close to 40.70. Sell is 15.10 to 20. So I would sell 40, positional buy 65, stop loss 40.60, 15.10. This is it. Gold, sell and buy because it's neutral, it's ranging. And the last one, the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, yeah, it's short. This is 85.30 is sell, 85.30. $86.30, and the target is 77.34. So these are quick trading ideas. So we go euro dollar, GBP dollar, Australian dollar, dollar yen, gold, and Bitcoin. These are predictions. And all those predictions are based again on my Camarilla MACD. This is the system that I use. I also trade from time to time equities and commodities with it. And as I say, it's always clear. Results are very, very clear. It's fully verified system. Okay, on my FX book, you can see percentage gain, everything. Everything is very, very profitable. So I hope that you enjoyed quick trading ideas, free for you guys at this point. But for more, join our Elite Currency ECS live Telegram channel. See you soon. Cheers. Trade safe.